There is a tool by Google which is basically called Google Keyword Planner tool. Okay, that is available inside Google. So you can directly go to the Google homepage and type Google Keyword Planner tool. So Google is offering this particular tool exclusively to, okay, understand about the keywords whichever is there, how we can figure out more keywords by landing page or by giving some information. Okay, so you can go here, so choose the right keywords, so click on go to keyword planner tool. So there are two ways of going to keyword planner tool. Number one, you can log into your account. Okay, right now what I'm doing is like I'm searching from Google and I'm going inside. Okay, I can log into my Google Ads account. Okay, after logging into the Google Ads account, I can navigate to the section. So there is a section called tools and settings. I will click on these tools and settings, and there is a tool called the keyword planner here. So you can click open the keyword planner tool. Okay, and this is how it will be coming. So this is the Google keyword planner tool which we have. Okay, so if you look into this one, Google is giving us two major options. One is discover new keywords, which means I will input some keyword. From that keyword, Google will suggest me other keywords related to that one. You know how it is going to be useful for me? Number one, it is very useful for me by giving ideas about the keywords, because whenever I take your government related business or any other related business, okay, whenever I take something related to the business related ideas, you might be having best knowledge about the business, but I may not. I don't know what kind of keywords that people will be searching, so this tool will be used. Okay, so we can get keyword ideas to reach more people or relevant keywords. So we have one more option. We want to get the search volume and forecasts. Okay, historical metrics from 2000 to 2000, I mean maybe let me say from 96 to till now. How did people go about to search some things online? Okay, how did they go, how did they start searching? Okay, how does this happen? Okay, so getting a search term and its forecast, it will be useful for us. Okay, so we can go ahead, click on a option called discover a new keywords. It says you can start with a keyword, or if you have a website, you can give your website. We will figure out relevant keywords from your website. Okay, the first option is start with a keyword, where you can go and try something like, okay, online digital marketing course. So I am searching with the phrase online digital marketing course, and the browser is default English, and I am searching people in India. Okay, let me try, instead of India, let me try with Google, like Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Tamil Nadu. Now it is going to retrieve the data from Google and gives me some insights. So one is online digital marketing course, and another keyword what I prefer is like online SEO course, and another one is like online um, analytics or Google Analytics course. Okay, so these are all few things where I can search. If I have a URL, I will give. Otherwise, I won't give. That is your choice. Okay. Now get results. So when I go with this, Google is going to give me the list of keywords related to the keywords which I offer. Online digital marketing course, online SEO course, online Google Analytics course, and I can add other related keywords like online digital marketing training, that is also related to my business, and I click on get results. So it will give me some more ideas. See, 882 ideas is what I have here. Okay, and other topics like online marketing postgraduate, online digital marketing strategy course. Okay, I will offer this one, online digital marketing strategy course. I will click on get results. Okay, and online digital marketing program. Okay, we can give it a try. Okay, great. So why I'm talking about online is because I want people to connect with me who are looking forward to have online results. Okay, so these keywords, whichever is given here, 912 keywords are suggested. online digital marketing course. So these information contains average monthly searches. How many people are searching this particular keyword? It shows the number of people who are searching online. Remember, there is no fixed value of how many people search online. 100 people search, 1000 people search, 2000 people search. No, there is no such fixed value. The value that is being searched by the users may fluctuate. It will variate. Okay, so it gives us the average monthly searches. So it is ranging from 100 searches to 1000 searches. 100 searches to 1000 searches. So online digital marketing course. Now there are lots of people who are competing for ranking this keyword. Lots of people who are competing for ranking in these keywords. Okay, so what are the options they have? Okay, competition, which means if you want to rank for the keyword online digital marketing course, there are lots of people who are competing for this keyword. So you will end up spending somewhere from minimum 51.57 rupees to 151.53 rupees per click. So high competitive. There is one more keyword which is basically called online SEO course. This competition is medium and the range of people who are searching is like 100 to 1000. So medium competition. Okay, in the medium competition, you will end up spending somewhere from 16 rupees to 83 rupees. Now, Google Keyword Planner tool gives us an option to see which are all the keywords which are high in competition, which are low in competition. So we can build our strategy. So you click or sort the data using competition. So you will be able to see the competition of, the data related to competition. You see, all the high competitive keywords are shown here. You click on this again, it is going to show you the low competition or no competition. Digital marketing certificate programs, only 10 to 100 people search every month. There is no huge competition. So what I can do, I can select this keyword to target my advertisement campaign because there is no competition for the keyword. So at least when 10 people to 100 people search about digital marketing certificate programs, they can connect with me. I will connect somewhere around 10 to 15 people. That is okay for me. I don't need to do the admission process for 200 to 300 people. I don't need to do that. Okay, and online marketing education is very generic. It doesn't not talk about email, digital marketing, but still I will select because online marketing education, which is basically the promotion. Okay, and there are other keywords, internet marketing training, right? So if I have very low budget, I will do a research. I will check out and see which are all the keywords are having low competition but related to my business. Internet marketing classes online, low competition, no competition at all. Okay, but still I can run the business. Okay, marketing, best online marketing certificate programs I can try. Fundamentals of digital marketing certificate by Google. Okay, all these keywords, whichever I feel, I can select. Best digital online marketing courses in Hindi, social media marketing courses, digital marketing distance learning courses. So fundamentals of digital marketing by Google. So that's lots of keywords. I will choose whichever the keywords I want and I will target. Okay, if I have a huge budget, I can target the high competitive keywords. Now let us see what are the keywords which are low in competition. Okay, oh my god, it's very difficult. I need to apply the filter. So if I cannot go by pages. Okay, so there are keywords which says exclude adult ideas, exclude adult, something like that. Okay, what I'm going to say, I'm going to talk about the competition. Okay, so I'm going to filter based on competition. I want to see those keywords with the low competition only. So I click apply and it gives me, it is going to refine the data and it is going to give me a data which is with low competition. Okay, is it displayed? Okay, 651 of 9112. Okay, so when I sort this out, it says medium, low, Okay, so I do not want medium also, so I need to check out the filter again. So I will add filter. Okay, I will try to see. Okay, so we have several options here: competition, organic impressions, organic average position, keyword. Competition is what I want to have a look into. Okay, so I will type competition. I've already added competition, but why it's not giving? Okay, the interface is not actually good, so let me try again. So let me try competition. It's not showing, so it is supposed to show me the competition. Let me try to close this filter panel. Okay, and I try to, the filter is already applied. Okay, exclude adult ideas. So this is the filter which I have. So I have selected only low, but it is showing medium also. Okay, let me select only low and click on apply. Okay, so it is supposed to give us these details. At times, if it is not working for us properly, what we can do, we can remove these filters and you can go and download keyword ideas. Okay, so once you click on this download keyword ideas, you will get it into the Excel sheet. You can sort it out. So what we can do, we can run advertisements by targeting low competition keywords so that you spend less money. See, you spend 4 rupees per click, you spend around 10 rupees for a click, 27 rupees for a click. But when you go to the high competition keyword, when the competitions are very high, okay, I'm removing the filters. Okay, why the filter is not being removed? Oh my god. Okay, there is something with the browser which is not working the expected way. Okay, so when we take the high competition keyword, okay, it will be very huge, maybe 150 rupees to even up to 400 rupees is what we may end up spending money on it. Okay, so this is one. Now when you look into these keywords, Google will give you more ideas about the keyword. We can still refine the keywords by several options. We can remove some branded keywords. Let me say the keywords of other brand is added inside. Okay, what I say, I do not want to keyword, I do not want to see the keyword related to Udemy, Coursera, edX. I don't want all this. Okay, or different platform. When people search particular keyword with this platform, I don't want to show my keywords. I can redefine. Okay, and if there is a name of school, right, so all I need is a non-brand keywords. Okay, I don't want to target for the branded keywords, any school name when they combine together and they search. I don't want that. Okay, let me see a few four more. Okay, only when people search without any brand name, I want to target and I want to show my advertisement. Okay, and major topics are related to course, so anything when people talk about the course, okay, I can target because that is a course. And others related to this one, so I can redefine, I mean refine my search results like this, and finally I will get a set of keywords. You can try this for any tool or any product or services. Okay, and out of this you need to select very specific keywords and use them in your advertisement campaign. Okay, for running the advertisements. And when we are using this Google keyword ideas, okay, you have an option to select your location, the language that people speak, and also the data to be checked for last 12 months. If you want, you can check the data, all available data from day one when Google started working approximately, but it says from November 2016 only they are showing us the data. Okay, anyway, now we have multiple keywords, we have multiple data here. We can go to the grouped ideas section on the left side. Now Google will group your keywords together. This is what we call it as an ad group. Similar keywords are put together. Okay, we call it as an ad group. Okay, so there are keywords related to course near. So these keywords are marketing course near me, online marketing courses near me, digital marketing courses near me, best digital marketing courses near me. Okay, so there are people who are searching keywords with the option of near, people who are searching with the Coursera digital, classes near, marketing school, e-marketing, okay, marketing short, Udemy, okay, marketing diploma. So whichever the group of keywords, whichever we want to target, we can create multiple number of ad groups. Okay, the grouped ideas will be given here. Okay, so different options under this particular tool. So one option is to feed our own keyword, okay, and get more keyword ideas related to this. Okay, this is one option. And then another option is to, okay, go to option to start with a website and enter your specific URL. See, there are two options. One, you can enter your home page, https://www.amudakumar.com. You can enter your home page. Now you can use your entire website to analyze and come out with the content, or you can use only the home page. Let me use the whole website and click on get results. Okay, now what happens, based on the content available inside my website, okay, Google is going to suggest me some keywords. It is suggesting almost 466 keywords. Actually it is suggesting 634 keywords, and because I have, you know, the keywords or different column are shown here. Okay, so I don't need this. Okay, because they have several options, I have you know, applied the refining keywords option, refine keywords. Okay, so it says school keywords have been removed, something like that. Okay, so 634 keywords are given to me here. Okay, I can click on the view all if at all there is any filter. Okay, there is a filter. Okay, so we can remove this filter options when we need. So you can give your website URL to get keyword ideas, marketing certifications, online marketing course, advantage of online advertisement. Okay, so the bid range is very low, 25.79. Okay, so 331.50. So we end up spending more money for a competitive keyword. Okay, less competition also is available. So based on my website content, so the easiest method is to enter a keyword and get the relevant ideas. Okay, so enter the keyword and get the relevant idea. So this is how we will be using this particular Google Keyword Planner tool to explore more keywords related to your products or services. Based on the keywords that you get as an input from here, you can take all these keywords and put it into inside your advertisement campaign. Okay, using different, you know, keyword matching types.